How to fix Roblox not launching. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I show you how to fix Roblox not launching on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First of all, check your system requirements, so ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. Then, make sure your Windows operating system is up to date by going to Windows Settings, Update and Security, then check for updates. Then you can update your graphics card and other essential drivers from the device manager. Then after that, you have to clear Roblox cache. So press Windows plus R, type this, then press enter. Then select and delete all files in the folder. Go to Control Panel, then Programs, and uninstall a program. Find Roblox and uninstall it. Then you can download it and install it again. This might work. Then you can also temporarily disable your antivirus software or your firewall, as they might be the problem. Then run Roblox as administrator, so right click on the file and select Run as Administrator. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Roblox not launching on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.